Hello student, I am Dr. BK Barun from Medico Patna, and the today class is muscle, that is muscular system. So muscular system is a mesodermal in origin and it is three types: a skeletal muscle, smooth muscle and cardiac muscle. So the skeletal muscle, there is a striation or multinucleated, and it has a band and I interband. A means anisotropic, I means isotropic band. A is a dark band or I is a light interband. So well developed A band and I band present in the skeletal muscle, and it is voluntary because controlled under the power of will. And nucleus is many, so this is called syncytia, and nucleus present in the periphery in a skeletal muscle. And myofibril is well developed. Their outer layer is sarcolemma and the plasm is called sarcoplasm. And well developed myofibril, which is proteinous in nature, which consists actin, myosin, troponin, protein in the skeletal muscle. And fibers, their myofibril is unbranched, and there is no any intercalated disc is present, and due to voluntary action soon get fatigue due to accumulation of lactic acid. So the striated muscle or a skeletal muscle becomes fatigue because it is voluntary, and it is generally associated with the long bone. So these muscle present in the limb, forelimb, hind limb, body wall, face, neck. So this is their position, and their band is A band. This is the A band which is dark, and this one is I band. And A band I, that is the interband. A band I interband, A band I interband, A band I interband. And there is A band has a line, and 2Z line, distance between 2Z line is called sarcomere, and it is the unit of muscle contraction. So what is sarcomere? Sarcomere is a structural and functional unit of muscle contraction, and it is distance between 2Z line. And after contraction of muscle, these sarcomeres decreases, but there is no change in A band. So the contraction and relaxation, the important characteristic feature of the skeletal muscle. And second is it is cylindrical and striated, that is the striped. But a smooth muscle is elongated and a spindle shaped and tapered end. They are both hinged tapered, just fusiform like, and it is involuntary. And nucleus is only one present, which is centrally present. So this is uninucleated, and there is no any dark band or light interband is present. So no A band, no I band. And the fiber, that is myofibril, is unbranched, and intercalated disc is also absent and do not get fatigue, and it is generally present in the visceral organs such as lung, esophagus, stomach, intestine, GIT, urogenital tract, urinary bladder, iris of eye, blood vessel. It may be single unit or multi-unit. And cardiac muscle, that is cylindrical, and it is highly branched, and there is a presence of intercalated disc. This is the intercalated disc. And the nucleus, it is also involuntary. A structurally cardiac muscle is a skeletal muscle because there is a presence of striation, and faint A band, I band is also present, but functionally it is involuntary. So a structurally cardiac muscle is a striated muscle, but functionally it is a smooth muscle, and it has only one nucleus in per cell, one nucleus in per cardiac cell, and the nucleus is also centrally present. And faint light band, I band, dark band is present. Light band is I band and dark band is A band. So faint A band, I band is present. And fibers, that is myofibril, is highly branched. And there is a presence of booster ring or intercalated disc for communication at a single unit. And it is never fatigue due to alternate contraction and relaxation, and the presence of LDH enzyme, lactate dehydrogenase. And so lactic acid is not accumulated. Lactic acid converted into pyruvic acid due to presence of one enzyme in the heart muscle, that is the LDH, lactate dehydrogenase. And the best site is heart, that is cardiac means heart, so it is present near the heart. So these are the three type of muscle: a skeletal muscle, a smooth muscle, and cardiac muscle. So this is the mainly difference, that is a skeletal muscle, a smooth muscle, and cardiac muscle. Syncytia is very important in a skeletal muscle. Syncytia means many nucleus in animal, and the cynocytic means many nucleus in plant. So this is very important, syncytia or cynocytic. So these all are the cardiac muscle, smooth muscle, and a skeletal muscle. Thank you.